truly want you and your loved ones to experience nature at its best and get a chance to make an investment that guarantees you a high return on investment. Today, we bring you update on Ocean View Estate. Ocean View Estate is a beachfront property behind Eko Akete. We have completed the fencing, and so the gatehouse construction is a project at hand. Here at Ocean View, we have 500 and 300 square meters of land available, selling at 14 million naira. But come the 1st of November, this property will start selling at 22 million naira. This estate has wonderful features like a playground, a swimming pool, electricity, and lots more. It is in totality the prime investment for you. Living in Ocean View Estate could be an iconic experience because every day could be picnic day with you and your family. Grab this chance to make the real estate investment of your dreams by investing in Ocean View Estate, developed by Vopnu City Limited. For more information, call us or send us a DM.